بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? Welcome to the new session 2020. Welcome to class 4. Today is our English class. Now students, open your books and come on the page 11. The name of the unit is The Little Hummingbird, the hummingbird who chewed bubble gum. Now come on the page 12. Let's have a reading. There was a little hummingbird in my neighborhood. It usually sat on my windowsill. I enjoyed hearing her sing. Suddenly, I didn't see the little hummingbird for some days. About a week ago, a bad storm came along and blew all the worms away. I felt sorry for the hummingbird. She must have been hungry, and so she must have flown away. I thought. Then one beautiful sunny morning, the little hummingbird reappeared on my windowsill. Where have you been? I asked the little hummingbird. Just out flying around, replied the little hummingbird. Did you find anything to eat? I asked. Oh, there's plenty of food, but all the twigs and straw were blown away by last week's storm, said the little hummingbird in a sad voice. I am sorry to hear that. What are you going to do? I asked. The little hummingbird shrugged her feathers and said, I am not sure, but I have a favor to ask of you. Sure, anything, I said. Can you please give me some bubble gum? Asked the little hummingbird. I was surprised that the little hummingbird would ask for bubble gum, but I was happy to share it with my friend. The little hummingbird chewed the gum balls and then blew a big bubble bigger than her body. Thanks, she said, and flew away. The next morning, the little hummingbird was back. She asked for a few more pieces of bubble gum. I didn't know why she wanted bubble gum, but I was happy to share it with her. She thanked me again and flew away. 2 days later, it was nice and sunny. I was playing outside. Suddenly, I heard a voice calling out my name. I looked around but didn't see anyone. The voice called out my name again. This time I realized it was coming from the oak tree in my backyard. I saw the little hummingbird up on the tree. She was sitting in a red, orange, and blue nest. Now come on the page 13. Look what you helped me build, said the little hummingbird. What do you mean? I asked. Well, there were not any twigs or straw left after the storm. I needed something to build a nest where I could lay my eggs. Your bubble gum helped me to build this nest. Thank you very much, said the little hummingbird. I climbed up the oak tree, and sure enough, there were two little eggs the size of jelly beans laying in the nest made of bubble gum. I told myself, I am so happy I shared my bubble gum with my hummingbird. She has been able to build her nest because of it. So, do remember to share your things with others. The little hummingbird. I will tell you the short summary of this lesson. A girl told this story that there was a little hummingbird in her neighborhood that usually sat on her windowsill. For a few days, the bird did not appear because a bad storm blew all the worms away. Suddenly, one day, the little hummingbird was seen flying around and searching for food. The bird requested to give him some bubble gum, and the girl was happy to share it with the bird. The little hummingbird chewed the gum balls and blew a bubble bigger than her body. It collected more bubble gum. After 2 days later, the girl was called by hummingbird. The girl found it on the oak tree in her backyard. The bird was sitting in a nest which was made of bubble gum. There the girl saw two little eggs, and she also became happy to share her things with the bird. अब मैं इसको आपको उर्दू में ट्रांसलेट करूँगी शॉर्ट समरी को. एक लड़की ये कहानी बताती है कि एक छोटा सा हमिंग बर्ड मेरे मोहल्ले में रहती थी, जो अमूमन ये फीमेल है, जो अमूमन मेरी खिड़की की चौखट पर बैठा करती थी. चंद दिन से हमिंग बर्ड नज़र ना आई क्योंकि एक ज़बरदस्त तूफ़ान अपने साथ सारे कीड़े मकोड़े उड़ाकर ले गया. अचानक एक दिन हमिंग बर्ड इधर उधर घूमता हुआ खुराक की तलाश करता हुआ नज़र आया. हमिंग बर्ड ने लड़की से थोड़ी सी बबल गम की इल्तिजा की और लड़की से बर्ड के साथ बांट कर बहुत खुश हुई. नन्ही हमिंग बर्ड बबल गम चबाती और अपने जिस्म से बड़ा बुलबुला फुलाया. इसने किच्छार और बबल गम इकट्ठा किया. 2 दिन बाद हमिंग बर्ड ने लड़की को बुलाया. लड़की ने हमिंग बर्ड को نشا یعنی کہ درخت پر دیکھا. پرندہ اپنے صحن گھونسلے پر بیٹھا تھا جو اس نے ببل گم سے بنایا تھا. لڑکی نے وہاں سے 2 چھوٹے انڈے دیکھے اور وہ پرندے کے ساتھ اپنی چیزیں بانٹ کر بہت خوش ہوئی. So students, you better understand the story. Now I will tell you the difficult words and their meanings. Number 1 is the reappeared. Reappeared, it means to appear again. Replied, answered, surprised, amazed, heard, listened, climbed, to go upward, realized, noticed. Reappeared, to appear again. Replied, answered, surprised, amazed, heard, listened, climbed, to go upward, realized, noticed. Now come on the word sentences. Word sentences: reappeared, a little bird reappeared. Replied, Ali replied in a minute. Surprised, I was surprised at his arrival. Heard, I heard a voice calling me. Climbed up, I climbed up. Realized, he realized his mistake at once. I should repeat them. Reappeared, a little bird reappeared. Replied, Ali replied in a minute. Surprised, I was surprised at his arrival. Heard, I heard a voice calling me. Climbed up, I climbed up. Realized, he realized his mistake at once. Now come on the question answers of this unit. Did the girl like the company of the little bird? How can you tell? Give at least 2 examples to support your answer. Yes, the girl liked the company of the little bird because she enjoyed her songs and she was very happy when the little bird reappeared. I repeat the question number 1. Did the girl like the company of the little bird? How can you tell? Give at least 2 examples to support your answer. Yes, the girl liked the company of the little bird because she enjoyed her songs and she was very happy when the little bird reappeared. Now come on the question number 2. There was something unusual about the nest that the girl saw. What was it? Unusual इसमें क्या था? The nest was made of bubble gum. Now dear students, come on the page number 13. Here is the exercise of this unit. After the storm, the girl did not see the bird. She thought the bird had died in the storm. The bird had gone away in search of food. The bird had gone away to another neighborhood. Is the correct option is the B. Now come on the question, option number 3. When the bird asked for bubblegum, the girl was surprised and happy. जब वो दोबारा से पूछता है तो उसको वो क्या होती है? Surprised होती है और happy. Now come on the page number 14. The girl was annoyed when the bird asked for more bubblegum on the second day. It is true or false? It is false. Now option number 6. When the girl climbed up the tree, what did she see in the nest? 2 eggs, 2 little birds, red, orange and blue bubblegum. She saw the 2 eggs. Now students, come on the page number 16. Study these sentences. You shared your bubblegum with me so I could build this nest. In the second sentence, what did so you do? Does it express cause or result? Expresses the result of the action described in the first sentence. The girl shared the bubblegum with the bird. Result, the bird was able to build the nest. We use so to express the result of something and because to express the cause or action for something. I was tired so I went to bed early. I turned the fan on because it was very warm. She was angry because everyone made fun of her. It was raining heavily, so we didn't go for the picnic. No one came to meet us at the station, so we found our way home ourselves. The car stopped because there was no petrol in it. Now, dear students, write down the words, meaning, word sentence and question answers of this unit on your notebook and also do the exercises which I have done and also tell you. Write down and also learn by heart. If any confusion, you can contact on the school official number. I say Allah Hafiz to all of you. Take a good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.